I had expected the MBA Agri-Operations Management program at SIOM to focus primarily on leadership within the agricultural sector.
Same here, but the structure is way more diverse and intense.
The first semester takes you deep into agriculture economics, agri-supply chain, operations research, and even advanced agriculture alongside finance, marketing, and data analytics.
By second semester, you start figuring out the logistics part of the program, quality management for agri-products, procurement, supply chain analytics, and Six Sigma training.
The third semester takes it further. Agri-retail, warehouse management, agri-commodity markets, agricultural finance, and SAP integration. Oh, and the summer internship as well.
Lastly, in the final semester, you get to work on a Six Sigma project learning about agri-import-export, digital agriculture, and climate-smart farming.
It's like they build the program to ensure you understand the entire agribusiness cycle from soil to the supermarket.
This is your chance to become an agri-leader.
With an MBA in Agri-Operations Management from SIOM Nashik.
Apply now.